Hi, I'm Daisy, or Crappy to Happy, and I am going to show you how to make a DIY coffee wreath for about $5, a little bit, $5 or $6, and about 2 hours of your time. But you guys, it is going to look so professional and so awesome, you're not going to want to wait to do it. So let's go over your supplies. You're going to need a glue gun, a bag of glue sticks, you can get that at the Dollar Tree, a wire wreath, a foam board, 3 packs of coffee filters, an X-Acto knife, a marker, preferably one with a kind of flat tip because you don't want to do too much work, fishing wire, and tape so you can put that onto the wreath and see where you're going to be hanging it. So the first thing you want to do is to trace your wire rack wreath onto the foam board, and you're going to trace all the lines. They're going to come out a little bit wonky, but for the most part you can see I used a different color for the outside and the inside because that's where I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and cut out my wreath backing. Okay, so now you're going to trace it, cut it out with your X-Acto knife. Do it as carefully as you can. Make sure you've got something underneath so you don't destroy your furniture like I did. Just kidding, I had a foam board underneath. My X-Acto knives weren't great, but you get the idea. And this is, trust me, the hardest part of the entire process.
So you're going to take a fishing wire and you're going to put a piece of tape around it. Then you're going to tie it around the foam board.
All right, let's get started. So take your wreath and we're going to start from the outside circumference all the way around and then the next level in. We're going to do that all the way till we're all full. Grab your coffee filter, separate it if you can. It takes a little bit of work. Now take your marker, put it in the middle, fluff it up, turn it around, put some glue on the flat part, and then, like I said, start from the outside. Now, once you've glued some of them, you can start to push them out. That'll just make it easier for you to keep gluing and working your way. So you can see now we're getting a little closer. We've gone around one time and put coffee filters all the way around. Now what you want to do is kind of push it out so that you can see your next layer in that you want to go all the way around and glue down. But it's starting to come together. Looking good. So once you've covered all the foam, and you can keep trying to sort of fluff it up, make sure you've covered all the sections, then you are pretty much done. You just fluff up your wreath. Okay, for a pro tip, you see how it's not completely even? You can take your scissors and you can just start cutting wherever you see the wreath being a little bit longer than other places. Go throughout and just cut it a little bit flatter.